Hello everyone, my name is Cam and welcome to another RAMShard Minecraft plugin tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Plugins are a useful tool for your Minecraft server. They allow you to add many different cool features and customizations such as ranks, game modes, and rules. Today, we will be going over a plugin called AnvilRestrict. This plugin allows you to disable item placing or renaming in the Anvil. Starting out, make sure you install the plugin first. If you don't know how, look to the top right for the iCard on how to install plugins. After installing the plugin, restart your server, then head to the config files. To get there, go to your server, click on the Files drop-down tab, and click Config Files. You're looking for the file called AnvilRestrict config.yml. Here is everything you can configure for this plugin. A few things you can do is add specific blocks you don't want allowed to be renamed. All you have to do is put the block ID here, so I will change it to a diamond block. Under that, you can also set it so nobody on the server can rename any items. To do this, change false to true. And under that, you can set it so nobody can even enter an Anvil. To do this, change false to true as well. Also at the bottom, you can change what the message says when somebody tries to access or rename an item in the Anvil when it's not allowed. After configuring these settings, click Save and restart your server. After restarting, join your server and you should be good to go. If you have any more questions or want to check out more features and commands this plugin has, I will leave the plugin page in the description. That is how you can incorporate the AnvilRestrict plugin on your Minecraft server. Thanks for watching.